So students, we have to now study about Pachytene stage after zygote. Now we know in Pachytene, the change which will be takes place, it is now formation of two sister chromatid of each homologous chromosome. So that is one homologous chromosome. It will now split up into two sister chromatid. Again, second homologous chromosome, it will also produce such type of two sister chromatid. So that is two homologous chromosome. It is two sister chromatid of first homologous chromosome, and that is the two sister chromatids of second homologous chromosomes. Okay, so that two chromosome they are the sister chromatid. Again, that two chromosome they are known as the chromatid known as sister chromatid. But this one and this one, it is now known as non-sister chromatids. Okay, so in this way, first change in Pachytene is that there is the formation of sister chromatids. Okay, students. Now, that sister chromatids, particularly two non-sister chromatids of homologous pair. Okay, so that is two chromatids, they are now known as non-sister. These two non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome in Pachytene stage, it will be undergo crossing over. Okay, so it will now undergo crossing over. So crossing over means, student, now these two non-homologous chromosomes, they will cross each other. Two homologous two non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome, they such type of they undergo crossing to one another. Okay, now at the point of crossing, okay, there will be formation of such type of X-shape structure. Okay, that X-shape structure, it is now known as chiasmata formation. So there will be now formation of chiasma or chiasmata. Okay, so that X-shape structure which will form due to overlapping of the two non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome, it is now formation of chiasmata. So chiasmata or chiasma formation, it will be takes place during crossing over. So crossing over, it is characterized by chiasma formation. After chiasma formation, now the homologous chromosome, it will be undergo break and reunion. So at a point of chiasmata, there will be now chromosomes, non-sister chromatids, they will be now undergo breaking. Okay, so non-sister chromatid at the point of chiasmata, they will be undergo break. Okay, and now they will again rejoin. Okay, so after breaking, they will be undergo rejoin. But during rejoin, the segment of that is segment of sister chromatid, they will undergo exchange now. So very important phenomenon. Okay, so we know, students, there is that two non-sister chromatids. Okay, at the point of X-shape structure, okay, that is chiasmata, they will now break. Okay, and after breaking, they will be now undergo again rejoin. But the rejoining, it will be now exchange rejoining. Means ये जैसे ये होमोलॉगस क्रोमोसोम का सेगमेंट है. ओके, ये पार्ट इस क्रोमोसोम का है, सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड का है. It will now join with this particular part. Okay, and this particular segment, it will be joined with that particular segment. ठीक है, तो अपने सेगमेंट को रीजॉइन ना करते हुए वो होमोलॉगस नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड जिससे वो ओवरलैप हुआ, उसके सेगमेंट के साथ वो एक्सचेंज करेगा, रिकंबाइन करेगा. ठीक है बच्चों, सो इन दिस वे ये जो सेगमेंट है वो अब इसके साथ में जुड़ रहा है, और ये जो सेगमेंट है अब ये इसके साथ में जुड़ रहा है. ओके, रिकॉम्बिनेशन हो रहा है. सो इन दिस वे देयर विल बी chiasmata formation, and the non-sister chromatids at the point of chiasmata formation, it will be undergo breaking, there will be rejoining, but the rejoining, it will be now exchange. Okay, or there will be now recombination, it will be occurs. Okay, so afterward when they will separate, okay, so result of crossing over, it will be like that. Here now that particular segment of chromosome, it is of exchange with that particular segment, okay, and that segment, it will be exchanged to its non-sister chromatid segment, okay. So in this way it will carry out recombination. So that overall process student, it is now known as crossing over, okay. तो क्या क्या देखे बच्चों हमने पैकिटीन में, देखो इन पैकिटीन each homologous chromosome, it will be split into the formation of sister chromatid, okay. Second, there will be now crossing over, it will be occurs, okay. So crossing over occurs means two non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes, they will cross each other. There will be formation of such type of accept structure, that is now known as chiasmata formation. At the point of crossing or chiasmata, there will be now breaking of the segment. After breaking, again there will be exchange and rejoining, okay. So in this way the exchange and rejoining of the segment of non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome, it will be takes place, which will be responsible for recombination, which will be leads for variation and evolution, okay. So very important process, that is crossing over, it is characteristic feature of पैकिटीन, ओके. पैकिटीन का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर है बच्चों, इट विल कैरी आउट क्रॉसिंग ओवर, ओके. एक्सचेंज ऑफ homologous segment of chromosome, non-homologous segment of chromosome, okay. So actually there will be exchange of what? Non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome, and which will be leads for recombination, okay, variation and evolution. So that are the characteristic features regarding with पैकिटीन states, okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं बच्चों पैकिटीन के बाद में. After पैकिटीन there will be now next is diplotin. So diplotin now during diplotin chromosomes, so such type of chromosomes are there. So in this stage, so that particular chromosome, they start moving, or repulsion it will be start due to disorganization of synaptinomal complex. So in diplotin, disorganization of synaptinomal complex, okay, and therefore there will be a repulsion occurs, okay. So the two chromosome जिसका अभी exchange हो गया है, okay, such type of two chromosomes, they will start moving apart. तो दोनों जो क्रोमोसोम्स थे बच्चों, ये सिनेप्टिनोमल कॉम्प्लेक्स दोनों के बीच में था, ठीक है. सिनेप्टिनोमल कॉम्प्लेक्स होने के कारण they was closer. Now there will be disorganization of this synaptinomal complex, and therefore these two homologous chromosome, they start repulsion, they start moving, okay. So they start moving, but they are not totally separated. अभी भी वो एक दूसरे से दूर जा रहे हैं, पर पूरी तरह से बच्चों सेपरेट नहीं होंगे. So in this way, okay, so in this way, जैसे वो एक्सेप्ट कियाजमेटा था, ओके, वो ऐसा था सपोज, तो वो ऐसा होगा, ओके. दोनों होमोलॉगस क्रोमोसोम मूव अपार्ट होने के कारण chiasmata, it will be now like that, okay. It is not still separate from one another, okay. So just there will be repulsion, it will be takes place. The repulsion, it is due to disorganization of synaptinomal complex, and due to that two homologous chromosome जिसमें क्रॉसिंग ओवर हो चुका, एक्सचेंज हो चुका homologous segment का, okay, they will be undergo apart from one another, repulsion it will be takes place, okay, but that chiasmata it is not separate, अभी भी chiasmata है, अभी भी दोनों क्रोमोसोम एक दूसरे से अलग नहीं हुए, ओके। chiasmata जो इस पैटर्न का दिख रहा था वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा ऐसा दिखने लगेगा बच्चों, ओके। सो इन दिस वे दैट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ डिप्लोटीन। डिप्लोटीन में और एक चीज होगी बच्चों, देयर विल बी नो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ डिसऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन एंड न्यूक्लियोलस। न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन और न्यूक्लियोलस डिसऑर्गेनाइज होगा, ओके। सो इन दिस वे that is now the diplotin stage we can represent. In diplotin there will be disorganization of nuclear membrane and nucleolus, and chromosome they will be start repelling to one another due to disorganization of synaptinomal complex, okay, but still there is chiasmata attachment, there will be not total separation of homologous chromosome, okay. So in this way there will be diplotin stage. डिप्लोटीन के बाद में आते बच्चों नेक्स्ट स्टेज दैट इज नाउ डाइकाइनेसिस। सो आफ्टर डिप्लोटीन डाइकाइनेसिस। नाउ इन डाइकाइनेसिस देयर विल बी कंप्लीट डिसऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन एंड न्यूक्लियोलस, ओके। न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन और न्यूक्लियोलस कंप्लीटली डिसऑर्गेनाइज हो चुका, यहां उसकी डिसऑर्गेनाइजेशन होने की स्टार्टिंग हुई थी, यहां वो टोटली डिसऑर्गेनाइज हुआ। नाउ देयर विल बी स्टार्ट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पिंडल फाइबर, स्पिंडल फाइबर का फॉर्मेशन यहां पर कंप्लीट हुआ, स्पिंडल फाइबर्स बन गए, ओके। सो इन दिस वे देयर विल बी disorganized dikinesis, it is characterized by disorganization of nuclear membrane and nucleolus. There will be starts formation of spindle, okay. So spindle formation it will be starts. Next one students, here the chromosomes they will now move apart, okay. chromosomes जो है वो एक दूसरे से अलग हो रहे हैं, okay. जैसे हम देख सकते हैं ये chromosomes दोनों अब सिनेप्टिनोमल कॉम्प्लेक्स खत्म होने के बाद दोनों मूव हो रहे हैं ऐसे, ओके। तो धीरे धीरे अब अपोजिट या एंड की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, ओके। तो इन डाइकाइनेसिस दे विल मूव और शिफ्ट फ्रॉम मिडल टू द टर्मिनल साइड लाइक दैट, एंड एट द टर्मिनल साइड दे विल बी अटैच लाइक दैट। देखिए मूवमेंट, ये कियास्मेटा पहले इधर था, ओके। अब दोनों क्रोमोसोम्स एक दूसरे से दूर जाने के कारण they will be come like that, okay, and finally they will attach to one another only at this terminal site, okay. So that particular step it is now known as terminalization. So there will be now terminalization, means we can say chiasmata it will be moved or it will shift toward terminal position, we can say, okay, which is known as terminalization. So important event which will be occurs during dikinesis is that terminalization, okay. So in this way finally two chromosomes they will start moving toward opposite poles. So we can represent here like that. Okay students, so still they are attached or they are shifted, chiasmata is shifted toward only terminal side, that is known as the terminalization. Still in dikinesis also two homologous chromosome it is not completely separated, okay. There will be disorganization of nuclear membrane and nucleolus, there will be formation of spindle and terminalization, that are the characteristic feature of dikinesis, okay बच्चों। तो एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करने की कोशिश करते हैं कौन कौन से स्टेज में क्या हुआ। लेप्टोटीन में, इन लेप्टोटीन, ओके, homologous actually there will be chromosome it will become thin thread like, okay, and they will now present in the form of bouquet stage, okay. So leptotin it is in the form of bouquet stage. That is the characteristic feature of leptotin. In zygote, students, in zygote, there will be crossing over occurs. So it will be leads for crossing over. Okay. In paquitin, in zygote, there will be synapsis. In paquitin, there will be crossing over. Okay. So we know there will be crossing over. In diplotin, there will be a repulsion to chromosome, homologous chromosome, where the exchange occurs during crossing over. They will start repel to one another, but still they are attached to one another. And finally, in dikinesis, there will be disorganization of membranes, spindle fiber formation, and terminalization, means chiasmata move at the terminal site. Okay, bachcho? So in this way, that are the certain stages, okay, related with meiosis 1 and prophase 1. Okay, so in next lecture we will study the next.